Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to week 5 of online learning. To find your lessons, you go to classwork, and under there, you'll be able to see your Nearpod. Now, this is grayed out as of right now because it's scheduled for tomorrow morning, so it will be ready for you Monday morning. Oops, it doesn't have the lesson on that one. Let me look at first period because it does. Here we go. So, with the actual lesson plan, which is here, this tells you what you're expected to do for the week. It has the Ed puzzle you're watching on Watch This Guy Build a Massive Solar System. You are not going to believe how far away the outer planets are from the inner planets. This is the video you're currently watching, Bam, which explains how to do things in Nearpod. Then obviously you have a lesson in Nearpod to complete. So, actually I need to add this video for this class. So that way, not the video, the lesson plans. There we go. So that way they have both. Not going to click schedule just yet because I'm not ready for it. I have one more thing to do. And then once you get in there, you will use either the class code for your period or you will use the link that is actually on that page. Either way, I'm going to show you what you need to do. So once you get in there, you will be asked to leave your name. This is not a place to leave a nickname so that I can't figure out who you are. We had multiple students last 6 weeks who put some weird name on there and I couldn't tell it was you. Or there were people who signed in and for some reason couldn't get the lesson working. Please reach out to your teachers if that's happening to you. We want you to be successful. And if these lessons aren't popping up for you, we need to know because there are questions for you to answer in these lessons. And that's how we're giving you credit. That and, of course, working on your Ed puzzles. So I'm going to join this session here. And it starts by giving you what are we looking for. We're looking about gravity being a force. And we're knowing that the sun is a medium-sized star. It's actually not that big in the spiral arm of the Milky Way galaxy. And that the sun is many thousand times closer to the Earth than any other star in our universe. Today, it will be very helpful to get out a piece of paper. I tried to squeeze all of these planets onto one piece of paper along with our star, the sun. You can put it on 2 pieces of paper. That's perfectly fine, but you're going to want to take some notes today. This could be blank paper. Doesn't even have to be lined paper. Construction paper. Notes on your phone. Whatever it takes to get your notes together so as you're going through, you can see what you're doing. You can also take notes as you go. Over here, there's a spot where you can do a Google Drive and add your notes in there if you'd rather type them up. So this shows you here how we are not in the center of our solar system, our Milky Way galaxy. We are actually over here to the side. Pretty cool. Then we've got this beautiful virtual reality that actually you can view where we are in the Milky Way from the Earth. This can be seen if you're in an area that's not the city. Get out of the city, go see some stars, and you should be able to see our Milky Way. If you've never been able to do that, here's a lovely virtual reality for you to do that. Now, we've added this little question mark guy every time an upcoming question is, because I've had some students who have said, Miss Frazier, I don't know when I'm supposed to answer the question. Answer it anytime you see a question, or anytime you see this question mark guy, you know there's a question coming. So here's your first question. Should be pretty simple, because this is just asking about you. How you feeling? Which one of these is you? And up here, anytime you see this little book with the speaker, that means it can read the question to you. So I click play here on the bottom.
How are you feeling?
A, happy.
B,
B, sad.
C,
angry.
D,
D,
tired.
And anytime you see that book, that is an option available for you to have it read. Next, this is telling you about the next field trip, what to do, step by step. If you are going to go to the next page and forget what the steps were, please feel free to write them down. You're going to click start, click on the screen to run the model, click on each planet. You're going to explore things. There's stuff on the right. There's an encyclopedia for more information. It's showing you here with these pictures how you can get that encyclopedia to answer these questions. So our sun, it's got 3 different questions here for you to work on and answer into your notes. That's why I recommend skipping 2 to 3 lines. Then here it is, this gorgeous, beautiful solar system example. So you start it up. It talked about in the steps how you can explore. And you're going to be able to answer questions about your star. I love it so much, but I'm not going to spend my whole time on that. I could really definitely do that. Then next, you have a question coming up. The question I'm going to answer here on Nearpod is a quiz question asking about our star. What colored dwarf star is this? Also, I forgot to mention this last time, and each time you see this little Earth thing in the corner, that means if reading it would not help you, but translating it to another language would, that is an option for you as well. I hope all these additional features that we have. See, if you click submit anyway, you skip this question and you get it wrong. So you want to review the answer and do it. I'm going to click submit anyway because I'm not grading myself on this particular lesson. But if you do that, 0. Oh, also, I found out if you get the answer wrong, you can actually go back and fix it. So if you get the wrong answer, don't leave it that way. The only time you can't fix it is at the end. If it's a time to climb, those are stuck. Whenever you do those are for you to do. You can't redo the time to climb because you're competing against others. Oh, this is one of my favorite videos. Enjoy. Anyway, I think I've gotten a good covering of what we got going on. I love you guys very much. Enjoy your week. If you have questions, come visit us on Zoom or call us on Google Voice, email, however we can help you. We are here for you. Love you. Bye.